So far so good. NodePay season 2 have ended, and NodePay is going to be listed in 6 days coming, if I'm not mistaken, because NodePay is going to list on 6th of January. And yeah, it's a few updates for you guys. First of all, season 2 have ended, and every airdrop have been there, snapshot have been taken. So if you click on this earning over here, if you go over, you are going to see that we are now in the total NodePay now have restricted, the total NodePay points have restricted, and we are now waiting for the check airdrop for season 2, which if you go over to their site, you're going to see that season 1 and season 2, season 1 and season 0 have been calculated, and now season 2 that we just ended a few hours ago is now being calculated. And according to what they posted in their Discord handle, here is the updates you guys need to know. First of all, according to what they say, it says, yeah, a few important clarifications. Season 2 points review. Season 2 point review. You review are currently underway and will be completed within the next 3 to 5 days. They says TGE and claim token for both season 2, season 0, season 1 and season 2 will be distributed during this event. So that is the reason why if you check over if you click on check airdrop, you are going to see that. Let me just go over to the browser, the mexc browser, where we're actually doing the browser mining, the node mining itself. So if you, after it's done loading, if you click on check airdrop now, here you're going to see that it's still showing season 1 and season 2 is still being calculated, and that is the reason why if you go over here you see it's being showing calculating. So according to what it says here, it's still the same thing, that season 2 is being calculated for now. So they say season 1, season 2 will be distributed during this event. Another important message is that claim are not yet live. Please stay safe and stay vigilant. So any site, anywhere you are going to see claim, login your wallet, login your account, or login your NodePay details to claim this point is a scam site, it's a phishing site. Don't do it. And say that you cannot change your connected wallet. Don't bother asking in the support ticket. So if you know that you have connected your wallet, make sure that nobody have access to that wallet, so that you don't need to change the wallet, because if you need to change the wallet, it's not going to happen. And it says points review and location are final. Pre-market clarification. Pre-market listing are done by the exchange platform. They did not need to inform NodePay about it, and NodePay have no control over the listing when token will be releasing soon. So what they're actually telling us about here is this thing that I just dropped on my Twitter and this Telegram handle. Yeah, Mexc exchange actually listed NodePay as 40 cents per coin. So 40 cents per coin, if you calculate it with what we're actually mined, or what I'm approximately going to get according to the reward ratio that they normally convert their points with, I'm likely to get roughly $300 and something with this this 40 cents that Mexc listed it. But according to what this says pre-market price doesn't have anything to consign them. It is the exchanges that put the price, and with what I'm seeing here, the exchanges are actually using these projects to make money. They are going to put the price there, so for you to buy the one that they think they have, maybe the one that have already been distributed to exchange, they are doing it pre-market. So you buying the pre-market coin is kind of risky or whatever. So what they actually say is that anything being done in the pre-market is not done by them. So but pre-market price is always showing that there is similarity of how the price is going to list. The coin is going to list. There's always a similarity between the actual listing price and the pre-market price. So pre-market price shows what the listing price might be, but still you don't need to fall for it. So what they're actually saying is that pre-market price is not them. They don't have any link, any association, any affiliation with any exchange that's listed in the pre-market. So anything I do in the pre-market is on your own risk. So this is just the update for now. So while waiting for every other thing, we can also go over to pause and make sure that we have done all the tasks we need to do in the pause. And remember, 6th of this month we feast. Happy New Year once more, and wait for my next video on the airdrops that is going to list on this January. Peace.